Built to last, the Fairphone 5 packs a punch without leaving a dent on the planet. Within the box, Fairphone provides a quick starter guide with your new device. Fairphone are completely committed to longevity, and there is no better evidence for this than their extended warranty. Every Fairphone 5 comes with a 5-year warranty. This can be activated directly after purchase. The Fairphone 5 is not only fast, but the device will stay up to speed until 2031. With thanks to a unique long-life Octa-Core chipset, backed with at least 8 years of software updates. As a consumer, broken screens can be an expensive fix. However, the Modular Design allows you to easily fix it yourself with the parts available on their shop. Easy to repair at home with nothing but a screwdriver, this device is essential for people that prefer DIY over paying hundreds for a repair. In terms of storage, there is up to 2 terabytes of expandable SD card storage for whatever you need, allowing years worth of photos and videos. The Fairphone 5 offers super fast 5G speeds that further future-proof for any needs regarding streaming with music and films or video calling with friends and family. With the intuitive Android 13, each user's experience is theirs to customize and control. With added security, this is as clean as Android gets. The device has dual SIM capabilities with both nano and eSIM options. The device's battery boasts an impressive 4,200 mAh power with fast charging. It offers 32 hours of daily use, 16 hours of continuous playback, and 10 hours of non-stop gaming. The 50 megapixel wide and ultra-wide lenses are fast, sharp, and reliable, whilst the front-facing 50 megapixel lens is also impressive. Video capability with up to 4K resolution, handling 240 frames per second. Not forgetting Fairphone's essential branding, they are constantly improving the way materials are sourced. In total, 70% of their materials are fairly sustained. The production of a new phone represents more than 70% of its CO2 footprint, which is why longevity is essential and at the heart of Fairphone's interests. Designing products that last, using recycled materials, and investing in Earth and People First projects is all evidence for how unique the Fairphone brand really is. The Fairphone 5 is available to pre-order now from the Clove Technology website.